If you're getting error code 136 while launching Valorant, along with the message, Valorant has encountered a connection error, please relaunch the client to reconnect. Then don't worry. Before making this video, I looked through Riot Games support pages, Reddit discussions, and community forums where many players reported running into the exact same problem. Some users said the error appeared after a game update, while others experienced it randomly, even though Valorant had been working perfectly before. After reviewing those discussions, I found a few solutions that were repeatedly recommended and confirmed to work for many players. So in this video, I'll walk you through those fixes one by one. Make sure you watch until the end because the solution that worked for one player may be different from the one that works for you. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is simply restart your computer. Although this may sound like a basic fix, Riot Support recommends trying it first because restarting Windows also restarts Riot Vanguard and other background services that Valorant depends on. Once your PC has restarted, open the Riot client and launch Valorant again to check if the error has disappeared. If you're still getting error code 136, the next solution is to completely remove Riot Vanguard and install it again. To do this, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, type the following command: SC delete VGC, then press Enter. After that, in the same command prompt window, type SC delete VGK, press Enter again. These commands remove the Vanguard services from Windows so they can be installed again properly. Once both commands have been executed, restart your computer. After restarting, press Windows +E to open File Explorer and navigate to C:\program files. Look for the Riot Vanguard folder. If it's still there, right-click it and delete it completely. At this point, Riot Vanguard has been fully removed from your system. Now you'll need to reinstall Valorant. However, while researching this issue, I noticed that many experienced users recommended using Revo Uninstaller instead of the default Windows uninstaller. The reason is simple. Revo removes leftover files, registry entries, and corrupted game data that Windows sometimes leaves behind. If any damaged files are causing error code 136, removing those leftovers gives you a much cleaner reinstall. Download and install Revo Uninstaller, open it, locate Valorant, then uninstall it using Revo. After the normal uninstall finishes, allow Revo to scan for leftover files and delete everything it finds. Once that's done, reinstall Valorant using the Riot client. During the installation, Riot Vanguard will automatically be installed again with fresh files. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix Valorant Error Code 136. If you're still getting the same error after trying everything, let me know in the comments exactly which step you're stuck on, and I'll do my best to help you out.